Alright, so we are at 13 months now with braces, and today I'm just going to show you guys all of what's going on in here, and we're making some really good progress. And I got an estimate for how much longer I have with my braces, and my orthodontist said, you know, it's going to be somewhere in between like 6 months to a year. Basically, before next summer, we're supposed to have them off. So I'm so excited to finally get these things off, and definitely am going to be wearing my retainer this time around because I don't want to go through these a third time. So anyway, let's look and see what's going on. So the bottom really is where everything is happening right now. And if you notice too, I have like some sores on my mouth from my braces. They've been rubbing up against my lip. That's what that is. But my teeth are doing pretty well. And the top is pretty straight, just this stuff, which they're really not doing anything yet up here. And as you can see, I got the pearl Brantelstein. They kind of look silver, like white, but it's actually pearl. And the bottom, I'm going to show you guys inside a little bit more, just a second, is straightening out. This tooth here is finally cooperating, at least a little bit more than it was before. And yeah, so here, see, you can see that we're just kind of trying to pull this one out, like to turn it so that it'll line up. And right now there's this space here and here, and then also a little space here, and then of course that one up there, but we're not doing anything to the top right now. And yeah, so the goal is to get this to move into place and then get a thicker wire on here, and then I think once the bottom wire is as thick as the top, then they'll probably start moving the top a little bit too. But right now the focus is just on the bottom. And you guys asked to see more of the band, so I'm going to try to show you, but it's really difficult to get in there. And the top, so I have this little bar here, and then a little hook on the inside and the other side, and then the little hook and all of that. So that's about as close up as I can get with these without actually like putting the camera in my mouth, which wouldn't work anyways because then it would just be dark. But yeah, that's what's going on there. So we have these all moving around and wait for this one to move forward. So it is right now September 6th and I just went on the 3rd. So I've got about a month and I'll be going back for my 14-month update. And I will keep you guys posted, and we are moving along and we'll have these things off in no time. Oh, one more thing. When I went in this last time, they also cleaned my teeth. So we got everything all cleaned up, and that's why you can see like all those spaces in there and everything, because it's all like, they're all sharp feeling right now because they cleaned everything off. So I got that all taken care of, and we'll get the braces off in sometime within the next year and get everything whitened, and we will be good to go. All right, I will see you guys back in about a month for another braces update. Bye.